we are. Hi. Can everybody hear me? Hello. Thank you, everybody, for coming out tonight. We're actually going to get started. This is my friend Songbird. He's going to start for us. He's also David Johnson, if you're looking at the CDs. And he agreed to open for tonight. So everybody, please give him a nice, warm welcome. Thank you.
Thanks for coming out, everyone. I'm glad to see all the members of Carnivals that are here. And my thoughts are with Sonia and her family, too. I'm going to start off with an instrumental. It's called Athame. Thank you. Okay, so this one's a newer one. It's actually a year old, even though it's new, but I wrote it last year when I was out looking at lights with Kira and our friend Charles. So far it's called Why I Bleed. I might change that, but here it is. Sitting on my bed, staring out my window. Christmas lights overhead, almost as white as snow. why my blood is red, why I bleed. They say it's blue when it's inside of you, but it turns red when it leaves. Come those who wish to come, stay those who wish to stay. Fare those who wish to fare, harmless to me and mine. Three circles around the house, bearing the Yuletide light. With just enough meat inside of me to warm the bitter cold of the winter night. Sitting on my bed, staring out my window, Christmas lights overhead, almost as white as snow. Wondering why my blood is red, why I bleed. They say it's blue and it's inside of you, but it turns red when it leaves. Thank you. So this is also a newer one. Haven't recorded it yet or anything. It's called Supersede the Satellites. What is it about those Colorado boys? They paint with stunning colors and make such beautiful noise. If I didn't know better, I'd say it was a ploy to get me to move out there and find myself some joy. What is it about those Colorado guys? They got me feeling Colorado, Rocky Mountain high. All they gotta do is crack a little smile to get me feeling giddy and giggly for a while. And I know it's just a pipe dream, but that ain't gonna stop me from breathing in and breathing out. I know it's just a pipe dream, but that ain't gonna stop me from thinking about you. One of these nights we'll meet in outer space. We'll supersede the satellites and see each other face to face. Saturn is the perfect private picnic place. We'll make each other laugh until our sadness is erased, 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 erased. And I know it's just a pipe dream, but that ain't gonna stop me from breathing in and breathing out. I know it's just a pipe, that ain't gonna stop me from thinking about you. And what is it about those Colorado guys? Thank you. Okay, so this one's from my first album from 2012. It's called Start a Fire. The sweetest lips that I've ever kissed, but I know you like to kiss the bottle too much. You got the sweetest skin that I've ever tasted or been in. But I know you'll take to the wind when you're 3 sheets in or more. And don't tell me that you don't know why I had to go. 'Cause if you're that far in the dark, maybe you should start a fire. Me a mean drunk, and the next day you don't know what came out of your mouth, and I'm left with the pain to carry around. Well, I can be a mean drunk too, baby. Just look at everything I put you through. We should have taken the hint. We should have had water instead. But don't tell me that you don't know why I had to go. 'Cause if you're that far in the dark, maybe you should start a fire. Hey baby, I've got a match, so just pour this gasoline on your heart. No ex-boyfriends were harmed in the making of that song, just so you know. Okay, so this is another one from my first album. And it's almost in tune. It's called Upstairs. It's been 3 months or so since I met you. And for all the hours and all the days, I still don't get you. I don't understand what's going on upstairs. upstairs, I'm in the basement, and I'm trying to get up there. Let's buy a half rack and drive to the park. And we can drink them all while we're sitting in the car. How romantic is that? You really captured my heart. Finding a man like you isn't really that hard. You just gotta look inside the bottle and read the soggy notes. But with all those heavy words, how did it ever stay afloat? My disappointments are breeding fast. It's never gonna last, and I am dying. And I am trying to stop crying. I'm always disappointed after hanging out with you. You don't even take the opportunity to do the things that lovers do. And what you think is disgusting, I think is hot, you see. It's really boring to act so nice when inside I'm so naughty. So I take matters into my own left hand, and I sail the lusty sea. My reality is wrecked now with the blood of a sad fantasy. I am bleeding. My disappointments are breeding fast. It's never gonna last, and I am dying. And I am trying to stop crying. Thank you. Okay, so on to happier territory. This one's called The Strings, and it's for my friend Charles, who's not here tonight, but this one goes out to him. You are so sweet when you're holding me. I become the little spoon again. Sometimes I'm scared by your beauty, and I'm rendered speechless until you speak again. You worry I'm bored to tears, not so, my friend. You know it's been a while since I wrote a song. This one showed up, and the sweet thought of you came along with me. And the strings, something in your eyes always takes me by surprise. So deep, so kind, so open and so close. They tell me something I cannot know. It is so sweet when you're holding me. I feel a warmth I can't explain. And I always hope that I'll feel it again. And yeah, it's been a while since I wrote a song, but this one showed up, and the sweet thought of you came along with me. And the strings, thank you. Got two left. I've got to tune real quick. Okay, so this one's called As Good As. Can we keep the clouds at bay? I hope you know which ones I mean. The ones that wanna whisk you away into their own paradise. And could you forgive me completely? Let me treat you as good as you treat me. Hell no, I ain't gonna let you go. Hell yeah, baby, I want want you to know that I love you. Yes, I do. When you hold my hand, I can feel your heart. You're such a beautiful man. We had a beautiful start. Where we go from here doesn't really matter. I just want you near. Let the distance shatter. Hell no, I ain't gonna let you go. Hell yeah, I want you to know that I love you. Yes, I do. Thank you. So this last one is from the album that I put out in May. The album's called Bygones, and the song is called There Is One. I've got copies of both my albums over there. They're 10 each, or both for 15 if you want them. So here's There Is One. There is one who has been there since I was born. One who has seen all of the things woven and torn. It's me, and I know better than anyone else that I'm better than my mistakes, and I believe someone is on their way. There will come one who I can love. There will come one who I can love, and who can love me in a room with brightly colored flashing lights. There is a flower blooming on the wall tonight. It's me. Won't someone come and pick me? I am the shy, silent choice behind you, and I believe there will come one who I can love. sun, I'll be over here between a rock and a hard man. Just look a little harder, I'm over here, and I just might give you all I have. There will come one who I can love. There will come one who I can love. Thank you very much. Thanks for having me. And stick around and enjoy the awesomeness. And buy CDs.